everyone, I'm so glad that you're here today. We're going to be talking about these amazingly beautiful Magpie Chrome Flakes. You can apply these directly to the tacky inhibition layer of gel, or you can chrome them over a no wipe top coat like Magpie Don't Be Tacky. Now I've started with Magpie Black Betty, which is just a black that I've cured for 60 seconds, and now I'm going in with a layer of Magpie Don't Be Tacky, and I'm going to give that a full cure for 60 seconds as well. We are going to use our Magpie Chrome tool. This tool does come with replacement heads, which is really nice for when you're chroming with different colors. And this is LEXI, so picking up some of those flakes and then just start burnishing those flakes. It's gonna break up and really become very chrome-like in that no wipe top coat. LEXI is a stunner and she reflects purple, blue, and pink. And I don't know, that is just so pretty. Once you're done, you can dust off the excess and then give a layer of Magpie Give Me Strength. That will need a 60-second cure. And then you can go in with a layer of Don't Be Tacky, and that needs 60 seconds as well. So now we're going to watch Venus come to life. So again, Black Betty, cure that. Then we're going to put on a layer of Don't Be Tacky. Let's cure that. And now rubbing in the Venus flakes with our chrome tool. Ooh, she is so pretty. So she reflects pink, green, and gold once you burnish her in. With that hollow, it is just so mesmerizing. Oh, it's so pretty. Be sure to dust off any excess, and then again, you're going to put on a layer of Magpie Give Me Strength and cure that for 60 seconds, followed by a layer of Don't Be Tacky and cure that for 60 seconds as well. Aren't those absolutely gorgeous? So LEXI is on the right and Venus is on the left. Now I'm gonna let you watch the rest of this video and just take in all of the mesmerizing things that are about to happen, but I just wanna let you know that I'm gonna be chroming STARLA, which is a traditional silver hollow. She was the original chrome flake from Magpie. I'm going to be chroming her over both Black Betty and Plain Jane. These can all be put over color and they come out gorgeous. I just wanted to show you over black today so that you could really see how deep and true their color was. All of these products are available at magpiebeautyusa.com. We service all of North America. If you ever have any questions or need our help, we are available at info@magpiebeautyusa.com.